Welcome to 2022 Innovative Cars YouTube channel. Before starting this, if you like this video, ring that bell and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Exterior design. Sophisticated and compelling design voted most beautiful car of the year 2022. DS4 stands out with its unique proportions and an amazingly imposing presence that enabled it to win the most beautiful car of the year 2022, awarded by the 37th Festival Automobile International jury. DS4's lines are designed to be flowing and assertive with large wheels, an athletic silhouette and aerodynamic profile. At the rear, the sculpted lights fit perfectly with its elegant shape for a spectacular, arresting identity. A piercing stare. Inspired by Paris, the city of lights, DS4's hypnotic DS Matrix LED vision projector headlights, coupled with its daytime running lights, striking blades of light made up of 98 LEDs, give an eye-catching and distinctive look. Large alloy wheels. Particularly intricate, each alloy wheel designed for DS4 conveys distinctive creativity. With 19-inch wheels standard across the majority of the range, with the ability to upgrade to 20 inches, each design emphasizes the car's imposing presence. Bold lines. Striking and aerodynamic, DS4's lines create a stunning profile that reduces its fuel consumption. The impression of fluidity is enhanced by flush-fitting door handles that marry perfectly with the overall design. Enjoy the quality and most distinguished interior, Creollo Brown Opera. With DS badges on the back rests, the seats in the iconic Nappa leather watch strap design upholstery can be cooled, heated and provide a massage to guarantee comfortable journeys all year round. Enjoy a wide range of sophisticated materials cloaking DS4's interior. Tungsten cloth, Alcantara, DS canvas or Nappa and grained leathers are embellished with premium finishes such as pearl stitching, Klaus de Paris Guillochature ash and forged carbon. Ambient lighting can be personalized to give an inviting atmosphere that suits you. Enjoy a wide range of heated steering wheel. Optional on DS4, the heated steering wheel adds a touch of comfort to the interior. With the push of a button, the leather-clad steering wheel instantly begins to warm up, perfect on a cold winter morning. Fully integrated into the dashboard, DS Air is a unique ventilation system that's both subtle and efficient. With its compact design, it gives flow and purity to the dashboard design by removing unnecessary clutter. Replacing the traditional gear lever, the unobtrusive and innovative DSE toggle controller emphasizes the technical finesse and elegance of the cockpit. The power of sound focal Electra hi-fi system. Enjoy an audio experience of unequaled purity with this incredible sound system featuring 14 speakers and 690 watts of power. For further refinement, the glass is laminated with an acoustic film enhances the sound of the focal Electra system. The opening panoramic sunroof. Boost your experience inside and bring light and comfort to every passenger's journey by adding the electric opening panoramic sunroof. Comfort inside. In the front, wireless charging and high-density seats that can be cooled, heated and massaging, 10-way powered, guarantee journeys in unbelievable comfort for driver and passenger. In the rear, passengers enjoy high-density foam seats enhanced by an adjustable central armrest with easily accessible storage and USB ports. 360 vision camera. Benefit from optimum visibility during parking maneuvers with 4 cameras positioned on the car and in its mirrors. Available as an option, they show an overview of what's around you on your onboard HD screen and automatically switch between views while you maneuver. The ultrasonic sensors enhance your safety and warn you of obstacles in your way. Anti-theft alarm and locking wheel nuts. Motion sensing, perimeter and anti-lift. The alarm protects the interior and exterior of your car against vandalism and break-ins and alerts you if it's towed away. For even more security, the anti-theft wheel nuts are locked and prevent any attempt to steal your wheels from the car. Hill assistant descent control. Limit the risk of skidding or losing control on slopes. In forward or reverse gear, on roads or tracks, this system enables you to maintain a constant speed on hills steeper than 5%. The DS extended head-up display marks an immersive visual experience as we move towards augmented reality. Projected through the windscreen, digital information appears to be on the road, so you never have to take your eyes off it. Your personal assistant. DS Iris system is new intuitive ergonomic information ecosystem that can be completely personalized. It combines a personal assistant that uses a touch interface as well as voice recognition, so the system does what you want, when you want. Your DS Smart Touch. Your shortcuts at your fingertips. Access one of your 6 favorite shortcuts, for example destination, contact, radio, ventilation setup etc., using a single movement without taking your eyes off the road through DS Smart Touch. Perfectly situated close to your hand, this touchscreen allows you to access your 6 most common needs with the utmost convenience and speed. For example, you can call your partner or tell sat-nav to guide you to your home address with one simple swipe of your finger. DS Drive Assist. A taste of semi-autonomous driving. Long journeys have never been easier thanks to DS Drive Assist. The Level 2 semi-autonomous driving system features adaptive cruise control, which controls your speed relative to the traffic conditions and also has the ability to stop and restart in traffic jams. The system also helps to keep your DS4 perfectly positioned in the middle of its lane by gently adapting the steering. It makes for a more relaxed driving experience, especially on motorways, and helps to keep you safe. DS Matrix LED Vision. Intelligent lighting. The new generation of DS Matrix LED Vision projector headlights are slimmer and more modern. Matrix beam and dynamic bending lighting that sees round corners, have been combined into the same system. The beam accurately senses your surroundings and adapts to it with 5 preset modes: town, country, motorway, bad weather and fog, so that you can use main beam in all conditions without ever dazzling other road users. DS Night Vision. An infrared camera positioned in DS4's front grille spots pedestrians and animals up to 200 meters ahead and displays them in the digital instrument cluster with potential threats highlighted in yellow and then red, supplemented with an audible alert depending on how close they are. A real step forward in safety that enables you to anticipate potential danger and react safely. Active Safety Brake. Day or night, this system detects obstacles such as vehicles driving in the same direction or stationary, pedestrians, cyclists as well as motorbikes in your lane. If there is immediate danger, the driver is alerted by a visual and audible warning. If they still don't react, the automatic braking then acts. Traffic sign recognition. Enjoy driving in maximum comfort with speed and information traffic sign recognition technology. This system reads both permanent and temporary signposts on the road, then reproduces them on your instrument panel, warning you instantly of possible speeding. You can also modify the settings of the cruise control speed limiter to automatically adjust your speed to the speed limit. Lane Keeping Assist. The Lane Keeping Assist system identifies when you cross the white line and automatically keeps you in your lane. You can deactivate this option whenever you want by gripping the steering wheel firmly or through the vehicle settings menu on the HD touchscreen. Power tailgate with hands-free operation. Make life easy by opening and closing your boot with a kicking motion. The rest of the time, use the control by the steering wheel or on the tailgate. Safety for all conditions. Available exclusively on DS4 Cross, the Advanced Traction Control and Hill Assist Descent Control option gives you the best possible safety in all conditions. Advanced Traction Control. This system adjusts power to the front wheels and with its 3 drive modes enables you to drive safely over difficult terrain such as snow, sand or mud. Available power units on DS4. Enjoy dynamic performance in perfect harmony with your surroundings thanks to E10's plug-in hybrid, blue dye diesel and PureTech petrol power units. Plug-in hybrid. E10's 225 horsepower petrol. PureTech 130 horsepower automatic. PureTech 180 horsepower automatic. PureTech 225 horsepower automatic. Diesel. Blue dye 130 horsepower automatic. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.